In this question, this combination is given to us in which between terminals A and B there are 3 ohm and 2 ohm resistors, and this pattern is repeating itself till infinite number of times. So there are such kind of networks, they are called ladder networks, and one such example we also did in the topic of capacitors, to find the equivalent capacitance. So you are going to apply the same logic here. Since this is the infinite ladder, so we can assume that the value of the equivalent resistance will be equal to R naught. And now if we remove this first part from here, if we remove this much part, then the remaining circuit will also have resistance R naught, because since it is an infinite circuit, so removal of one branch will not change any value of the equivalent resistor. So the equivalent resistance of the entire network can be taken as R naught, and equivalent resistance of the entire network minus this branch will also be equal to R naught. So this circuit can be remade like this, in which this is 3 ohm resistor and this is 2 ohm resistor, and this is the equivalent resistor of the circuit from point CD to infinity. So this point between C and D, it is also equal to R naught, and the equivalent resistance of the entire network is also equal to R naught. So from this we can write this R naught will be equal to, these two are in parallel, and the combination of these two will be in series with this. So we can write here, to solve this will be the equivalent resistance. Now we have to simplify this, so it will be equal to, and denominator is 2 plus R naught, so that will come here. Now if we simplify this, then we will get a quadratic equation which will be equal to R naught square minus 3 R naught minus 6 equals to 0. Now by using quadratic formula we can find out the roots. So it will be equal to minus b, so 3 plus minus determinant will be b square minus 4ac, so b square is 9, and minus 4ac is plus 24 upon 2a, so it will be equal to 2. So this will be equal to 3 plus minus root of 33 upon 2. Now root of 33 is greater than 3, so one of the values will be minus, so we take only positive values, because the value of resistance cannot be in negative. So R naught will be equal to 3 plus root 33 upon 2. So this will be the value of this infinite ladder network.